Hello guys, welcome back to another video today. This might be a game video, but I just got a notification from my computer saying that there's a new promo code that just came out. And I'm gonna show you what the promo code is that's new for Roblox. Yes. It's just new. I got a notification from it. So let me get the page. Yes. But first, we're gonna go to homeroblox.com. Then we're gonna do instead, we are going to do. Oh my God, we are going to do. Basically, we want to do this, but yeah, okay. Let's just do this then. It's loading, taking a long time, but it's loading. Okay, so search a promo codes, enter, and then it's gonna take you to, oh, sorry. So, what you're gonna do, I already copied and pasted it. Code is this, code is this, RIP Happy Cat 2021. And it's actually real. Promo code successfully redeemed. I already redeemed it on my other account. I'll show you the item on this account and my other one. Then you're gonna do your avatar. And then you're gonna see something very new and it's very funny. A little bit. So, once it loaded, once it loads, taking a bit of a long time to move. So, you've already seen it's kind of funny. So, since it's loading now, something's gonna appear right here. The first one, yes. What is wrong with my mouse? Click, click, click. My mouth needs a break. Are you fixed? You're not fixed yet? Oh my God. Oh yeah, you're gonna get this called, the Arctic Ninja cat head. It's very funny. But I have to show you guys. Hurry up and load the character. Hurry! R6, R15, R6, R15, R6, R15, 2D. Oh my God. So, I'll show you guys in a minute. Okay, so I finally got it. It's right here. Get off! Get off! Get off my tool! Stop it. So I got it. It's right here. I had to wait for my avatar to load first. So the sad moment. I have to wait. But first, let's shake my mouse. It's the Cat Ninja. The Ninja Cat. I have to show you guys on my other account, so. Minecraft my avatar. This site has. Alright, so you guys, I have to show you guys on this canvas. I have to show you guys, so, this is what it is. So I get notifications from this. I get notifications, and I wasn't lying, but I get notifications basically like that. I get notifications for when any new promo code comes out in Roblox. And so I copied the code, and I already have it here. If you guys need it, I'll just put it here, right here, all capital letters, right there, yeah. So, we're gonna tell Meister. Oh my god, it's not even loading now. What's wrong with my internet? Oh, you load now.
Emery, you want some french fries?
No.
You want some fish?
Yes, Mama.
You don't want 2 or 3 french fries?
No, I'm fine, Mama. Did you telling me the same code, or is this a different code? I wonder. This site. And I got a ouch. A bone. Did you guys not hear that crack in my toe? Oh my god. Literally. Okay, it's the same one, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just Yep. Yeah, Dougie. Yep, that's how it looks. I just show you like that. I was gonna show you. Page cannot be found or no longer exists. Okay, so. Yep, that's how it looks. So, yeah, that's how it looks and stuff. That is how it's. So, yep, you guys like and subscribe to my channel. You guys know what my channel is. If you guys don't know what my channel is, then you're not really know what I'm doing in this video today. So, I'm about to stop recording right now. It has come to an end. Yes, it has. It's come to an end. It finally loaded on my screen here. Up at 1. This finally loaded here. I guess I'll show you like this. Maybe if it loads, I can choose to show you guys. If it loads, hello. It's gonna load. Come stop here. Stop now. If I can. Okay, you guys, so I'm getting it to load. I got it to load already. Oh, I took it off. It should be on right now. I don't know what's going on with my thing today, but I'll show you. I'm trying to show you guys how it looks on my internet. My internet's good. Don't show my web. Please, internet. Okay, so. That's how it looks, guys. And we'll have to stop recording because I have to go eat dinner and stuff. Yes, Mama! Okay, guys, I'll stop here.